Okay. And aside from introduction to computers, I can tutor you guys on all the core subjects.
My name is Sai, and my favorite color is white. And aside from computer basics, I can teach you in math, English, history, and animation.
Hi, my name is Sanvi, and my favorite color is blue. And if you guys need any tutoring for any subject, I can help with that. Could we also try to keep ourselves on mute when we're not speaking?
My
Thank
name is
you.
Pink, and my favorite color is green. And aside from computer basics, I can also tutor in mathematics and graphic design.
Hi, my name is Nitika, and my favorite color is purple. I'm interested in tutoring history, math, and science.
My name is Arya, and my favorite color is blue, and I can tutor English, math, and science. So let's talk about what coding is. Coding or computer programming is a process of writing sets of instructions that tell computers and hardware what to do. So it's like translating human ideas into a language that machines can understand and perform actions, and almost every machine uses code so it can follow its job.
Okay, so why is it important? So almost everything that we use today, like apps, games, and websites, those are all powered by coding. And also it teaches us many important skills like problem solving, logical thinking, creativity, patience, and attention to detail, which are all crucial for everyday life. And then also by understanding code, you can learn how data is stored in a computer, recognize any security risks, and even create your own app.
So what exactly can you do with coding? Coding is in literally everything online. It's in websites, on your phones or computers. Everything is made by coding. And if you guys play video games, they were made by code. They're in apps like timers, alarms, and in movies that you might watch. And you can even make your own animations through code.
For us, we're going to be using code.org in order to code. It's a fun website where people learn to code. And basically, coding, as Arya said, is telling the computer what to do. We can learn coding because we can make games and stories on code.org, solve problems, and yeah, it's a fun place to code.
Okay, so now I'm going to be going over how to access code.org on your computer. And make sure to follow along if you have access to a computer right now, but feel free to also do it later. First, I want to remind you guys that before accessing code.org, make sure you are signed into our Google Classroom. And as a reminder, the classroom code is shown on the screen. And if you need help signing into Google Classroom, feel free to look at our previous slides or ask your teacher. So first, you want to type in code.org into the Google search bar or the browser tab. And then after you get into the code.org website, click the sign in button, which is located on the top right corner. Next, click the continue with the Google button and then sign in with your Google account. And make sure the Google account is the same one you use for the Google Classroom, or you won't have access to the activities. After you've signed in with your Google account, finish creating your account by selecting your age. And lastly, if you are signed into our Google Classroom, you should automatically see this slide. For our first lesson, it will be about AI and the ocean, and the numbers box represent every single level, and you can click through each of the levels and track your progress.
Okay, so as Katie went over, your homework is really similar. You just have to sign into code.org and complete your first assignment. And again, make sure to sign into Google Classroom, then sign into code.org because when you sign into Google Classroom, it automatically makes an account for you. And when you're signing into Google Class to code.org, make sure you're clicking on sign in and not sign up. Um, since we have some extra time, we can kind of start the lesson today, and I can share my screen and you guys can select what things to do. Oh, don't draw on the screen. Or do you have a question?
mpaka kufika ndio usajoin na wiki ya
Could you repeat that?
Okay, I think you can move on.
Okay, wait, I'll pull it up and then I'll start.
nimesema ujasiri kabla anapokufa.
Okay, so when you first start the assignment, you first have to watch a video. Um, you can just watch it in class today.
You have to share it with the sound. We can't hear.
Share sound.
Unshare the screen, and then next time you click share, you have to share it with the sound.
Oh, okay, wait, I see it.
Alexa.
Now does it work?
My name is Dr. Chelsea Haupt. I work
Yeah,
at the Allen
it-
Institute for Artificial Intelligence, and I work on an AI-powered academic search engine. All around you, computers are making decisions, and those decisions affect your daily life. When you do an internet search or scroll through your newsfeed, computers decide what you see. Computers can already recognize your face and understand your voice. And soon they'll be driving cars and detecting diseases even better than humans. So how is any of this possible?
You may have heard about something called AI, or artificial intelligence. True artificial intelligence is decades away. But there's a type of AI called machine learning that is here today. It's a type of AI you probably interact with every day without even knowing it. And it has the opportunity to help us tackle some of the world's biggest challenges.
Machine learning is how computers recognize patterns and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. What's so exciting is that it's a completely different way to program a computer than what we've ever done before. With machine learning, instead of programming a computer step by step, you can program a computer to learn just like you learn, through trial and error and lots of practice.
Learning comes from experience, and that's true for machine learning too. In this case, experience means lots and lots of data. Machine learning can take in any kind of data, images, video, audio, or text, and begin to recognize patterns in that data. Once it learns to recognize patterns in the data, it can also learn to make predictions based on those patterns, like noticing the difference between an image of a car and an image of a bicycle.
AI and machine learning are playing a bigger and bigger role in society at large and shaping all of our futures. That's why it's so important to learn how it works with some hands-on experience. Remember, AI is like any tool. First you get the knowledge, then you get the power.
Okay, so then let's continue to our first assignment. Okay, I'll read this out loud. Garbage dumped in the water affects marine life. In this activity, you will program or train AI to identify fish or trash. Let's clean up the ocean and let's meet AI. AI does not know if an object is a fish or trash, but it can process images and identify patterns. To program AI, use the buttons to label an image as fish or not fish. The training you provide will teach AI to recognize patterns on its own. And let's get started. Okay, so what do you think this is? Is this a fish or not a fish?
Not a fish.
That's right.
Wait, feel free to type it in the chat too.
Oh, yeah. So fish or not a fish?
The fish.
Mm-hmm. You guys can just say
Fish.
it.
Not a fish. Fish.
Did you know 17 billion pounds of plastic enter the ocean each year?
Fish. Not fish.
Okay, I think we can
Fish.
continue. Okay. Now let's see if AI know what a fish looks like. AI will analyze a random set of objects and label them based on your training. Okay. I don't think it worked properly. Okay, so how do you think the AI did? How do you guys think the AI did to identify the objects as fish or not fish? Did they do good or did they do bad?
Bad.
Yeah, because they have like food and trash mixed in with the fish. Okay, let's train it some more then. Let's train more. Okay. What is this?
Not fish. 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 Not fish. Not fish. Not fish. Not fish.
Oh wow. Did you know 80% of ocean pollution comes from land debris and is estimated to cost 13 billion per year? It's a
No,
crazy
I
number.
didn't. Fish. Not fish. Not fish. Not a fish. Not fish. fish, fish, not fish, not fish, not fish.
Okay. Hopefully that should work. Let's see how it did this time. Okay. It's doing a bit better. Oh. Okay. It got a bit better. Do you guys want to do it one more time? So we
Yes,
can get rid of these? Okay.
not a fish, fish, not fish, not a fish, fish, not a fish, not a fish, fish,
Fish.
fish, not a fish,
Not a fish.
fish,
Fish. 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 Not
not a
a fish.
fish, fish,
A fish.
not fish,
Not a fish.
not a fish,
No fish.
fish,
Fish.
fish.
Fish. Not fish.
Okay. Fingers crossed this time it works. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. We still have two more. Do you guys want to do it one last time?
Okay, so why do you guys think that we're doing this? Like, what do you think that getting more data would do for the AI? Okay, so the way that AI works, oh yeah, go ahead. Okay, so the way that AI works, the more data that you give it, and like they said in the video with machine learning, it'll get more accurate as you go on. So right now, with us giving it more data to show which is a fish and which is not a fish, over time they can see which ones like are fish and not fish by themselves. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to continue, but in your homework, you're going to learn more about this, and you're going to be able to create your own type of data set for the machine learning.
So far, we trained AI to identify objects as fish or not fish. What if this training data was used to decide what belonged in the water? What would happen to other sea creature? Does our training approach cause unintended consequences? Let's see. Oh. Did you notice that AI identified some creatures as not fish?
Yeah.
What other
Yes,
animals did you see?
A whale.
dolphin,
I can't see any animal.
Oh, you can't see my
A
screen?
whale.
Yeah, those are
Can't
all
see
animals.
any pictures.
Could you repeat that? Okay. Oh, this is a really important point to learn. AI only learns what we teach it. So when you guys are doing your homework and you guys are deciding if something's a fish and not a fish, make sure to be extra careful because if we teach something that is like trash, that is a fish, the AI will work like that accordingly. Okay. So this time, the AI should figure out what type of animal should stay in the ocean. It shouldn't just be um just the fish, since there's so many more animals. So does this belong in the water?
Yes.
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 No.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. It should be in the water.
Yes. 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 Yes.
No.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes. No.
Yes. No.
Yes.
No. Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
that belonged in the water.
Yes.
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 No.
No. No. No. No.
This one's
Yes.
no? This one's yes. This one's yes. This is a sea otter.
A cat.
No.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yeah.
No. Yes. No.
Oh.
Yes. What do you mean no?
Okay, let's continue.
Yes. Yes.
Do you think AI will do a better job identifying what should be in the water? What do you guys think? Do you think the training that we did helped? How did the AI do?
Bad.
Yeah, it did kind of bad, right? But when you guys do it at home, you guys can make sure it's perfect.
Like
Okay, let's move on to our next video.
Machine learning is only as good as the training data you put into it. So it's super important to use high quality data, and lots of it. But if data is so important, it's worth asking, where does training data come from? Often, computers are collecting training data from people like you and me without any effort on our part. A video streaming service might keep track of what you watch, then it can recognize patterns in that data to recommend what you might want to watch next. Other times, you're directly asked to help, like when a website asks you to spot street signs and photos. You're providing training data to help a machine learn to see, and maybe even one day drive. Medical researchers can use medical images as training data to teach computers how to recognize and diagnose diseases. Machine learning needs hundreds and thousands of images and training direction from a doctor who knows what to look for before it can correctly identify disease. Even with thousands of examples, there can be problems with the computer's predictions. If X-ray data is only collected from men, then the computer's predictions may only work for men. It may not recognize diseases when asked to diagnose the X-ray of a woman. This blind spot in the training data creates something called bias. Bias data favors some things and deprioritizes or excludes others. Depending on how training data is collected, who is doing the collecting, and how the data is fed into the computer, there is a chance that human bias is included in the data. By learning from biased data, the computer may make biased predictions. This can happen whether the people training the computer are aware of it or not. So when you are looking at training data, ask yourself two questions. Is this enough data to accurately train a computer? And does this data represent all possible scenarios and users without bias? This is where you, as the human trainer, can play a crucial role. It's up to you to give your machine unbiased data. That means collecting tons of examples, often from lots of different sources. Remember, when you pick and choose data for machine learning, you're actually programming the algorithm using training data instead of code. The data is the code. The better the data you provide, the better the computer will learn.
Okay. So, artificial intelligence and machine learning can be used to teach computer new patterns. Let's teach AI a new word by showing examples of that type of fish. What type of fish do you guys want the AI to detect?
Blue.
Piranha.
Blue.
Blue and
Choose,
circular.
choose these options. Okay. Type in the chat for which one you want so I can see the majority.
Red.
Choose red.
Yes.
Is everyone okay with that?
No.
No.
No? No?
Yes.
Okay, everyone type in the chat really quickly which one you want.
Blue. Red.
Okay, I have 2 reds and 1 blue.
Yes.
Red. Green.
Green, okay.
Red. Red.
Since most people are asking for red, I'm gonna go with red. So let's do this. Is this fish red?
No.
No.
No. No.
Yeah.
Yes.
No. No. No.
Yeah, that one was red. Is this red?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
No.
No. No.
No.
No. No.
Yes.
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 Yes. Yes. Yes.
No.
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 No. Yes.
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 No. Yes. No.
Yes.
Do you guys think this is enough
Yes.
data? Do you think all
No.
the
No. No.
it's not enough data? Or
No.
it is enough data?
No. It's not.
It's not enough? Okay, let's do some more. Okay.
No. No.
No.
No.
No.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
No.
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 Not that
No.
one. Not that one.
No.
No.
Yes.
Ye-
Ye-
Yes.
Yes. No.
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 No. No.
No.
No.
No. Yes.
Yes. No.
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 No. Yes.
Okay. Let's see how we did.
Yes. 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 Yes.
How well did it do?
Continue.
Good.
Good.
Okay, let's see what the AI learned. Okay. It learned more on color instead of anything else. As you can see, like color has the most blue.
Yes. Hi, Divine.
Okay.
AI and machine learning can affect every part of society. For instance, self-driving cars use AI to recognize their surroundings, track objects, and make super important decisions, like when to stop. Machine learning is already being used in some really amazing things. It's allowing us to be more energy efficient. We use it to improve how we grow food and manage natural resources. It's dramatically changing how we diagnose diseases and create new medicines. It's even helping the blind see.
I think it's a man jumping in the air doing a trick on a skateboard.
So there are also risks. Consider the potential impact when machine learning is used to evaluate candidates for college admission, screen applicants for bank loans, or even predict crime or spot criminals. When using machine learnings in these types of applications, we need to make sure not to use prejudiced training data that would perpetuate human bias.
As AI and machine learning change everything, it's important that you have a hand in how they're being used. More than any other technology, AI has the potential to revolutionize our lives for the better, so long as it's done in a way that avoids bias that could cause harm or inequity. The most important thing about machine learning is human learning. Knowing how this technology works is the first step on your journey to using it for good.
More than any other
Okay, so what did you guys learn from this video?
How AI can help blind people.
And it also taught us that we should be careful when training our AIs so we don't put bias or human prejudice into the system.
What's the meaning of bias?
Bias is like preference, like you're like nicer to someone else because you like them better than the other person. You get it?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's teach AI a word that depends on your opinion. It's up to you to pick a fish that to match your word. Okay. What type of fish do you want to look for?
Silly.
Angry.
Silly.
Silly?
Angry.
Type in the chat so then we can.
Wild.
Hungry.
Wild.
Silly.
Hungry. Angry.
Wild.
Silly.
Wild.
Hungry.
Wild. Hearing a lot of
Scary and
wild.
silly.
Okay, choose between wild, scary, and silly.
Wild.
Wild.
Wild?
Silly.
Okay, I'm
Yes.
hearing a lot more wild, so let's go with wild. Would you guys say that's wild?
No.
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 No, not wild. Okay. Is this wild?
No.
No.
No? How about this one? Is this wild?
No.
No?
No.
What about this one?
No.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
No. No.
Like this is up to you
No.
guys, so you guys can choose if it's wild or not.
No.
No, it's not wild.
No.
No.
Okay. Is this wild?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Is this wild?
No.
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 All right.
Yes.
Okay. Do you guys think this AI, like what we're doing right now is fair to all the fish?
No.
Not really.
No? Yeah.
Not really.
Yeah.
Let's continue.
Maybe hold the middle a little.
So, is it right to do stuff like this?
Excuse me?
Yeah.
How do you make games in AI?
How do I make what?
How do you make games in AI by
Oh,
AI?
okay. Yeah, okay. So to make games in AI, we use coding, right? In this one right now, this is like we're still learning what coding is, so we haven't started typing or using block code. but if you guys want to do that, we can do that.
Yeah, so in this
Yes,
lesson, we're going to focus on AI, but in the future, as you guys learn how to code, then you can create your own games, and then you might be able to do it on your own as well.
Yeah, next lesson, we'll try to get a homework for you guys that can help teach you guys how to make an app. Would you
yes,
guys like that?
yes.
Okay, great. So then let's continue. Okay. Based on our training, we only got one fish that was claimed as wild. You guys want to try a different word? Or do you
Yes.
want to finish?
Different word. New
Different
word.
word?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do one more. Which one do you guys want to do this time? Scary?
Scary.
Okay, let's do
Scary.
scary. Is this one scary?
No.
Scary?
No. No.
Is it scary?
No.
Yes.
Is it scary?
Yes.
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 This one scary?
No.
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 No. No.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Yes.
No. No. No.
No. Yes.
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 This one scary?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. No.
No.
No?
No. No.
Yes.
This one's not scary?
Yes.
This one's scary?
Yes. No.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
No.
No.
No. Yes.
No.
Okay, let's see how we did this time.
No.
Okay. Do all of these look pretty scary to you?
No.
No, it's okay. When you guys do your
No.
homework, you guys can get all the scary ones. Okay, yay, we finished. So once you're done, you'll be able to get a certificate of completion. How was it? Did you guys like it?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
great.
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
No?
No.
Can
Do you understand what your homework is?
Does everyone know what their homework is? Okay, so your homework is to sign into code.org and do the same lesson that we did in class today. Can you just like a show of hands, can you tell us if you're signed into the Google Classroom or not?
Yes, I am.
You are? Okay.
I am. Yes, I am. We are. I design.
Okay.
I think almost
So,
everyone is signed up.
oh yeah.
Okay.
So everyone in today's class has signed up, right?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
It's okay if you haven't. I just wanted to get like a rough idea.
Huh?
Okay, I think everyone did.
Okay.
So your homework assignment will be posted on Google Classroom or the link to it. So just follow the steps that you learned today, and then you can do the homework assignment that we did in class. Is that clear?
Yes.
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 Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Are there any final questions?
No.
No. No.
No.
No.
Okay, thanks everyone.
Yeah, you're welcome.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye.
See you next week,
See you
Saturday
next time.
or Sunday.
Bye everyone. Bye.
Bye.